Hello guys, I hope you are doing fine. So 4 months ago we planted few ash gourd seeds and we got a lot of fruits from this. So today we will harvest all the fruits and we will also make ash gourd vadis. So let's begin the video. So guys, this is the amount of ash gourd that we got from 3 plants that we had planted 4 months ago. And we also donated few during Durga Puja to the local Kali temple, and I've also given 2 3 to friends around me, and this is what I have remaining. So this is not a bad produce, and we are going to make some vadis with it, and we're also going to save the seeds. So okay friends, so to start our ash gourd body making process, we will need some urad dal, which is black gram. This is peeled ones, they do not have the skin on, and I bought this fresh from the market, as you can see, and I let it soak overnight. And now I will grind these without water. We have to keep use as less water as possible while grinding, so that after we make the paste, it will dry faster when we make the buddies. So I'll wash them in 3 2 waters, and then I'll grind it into a smooth paste but a non-watery paste. So let's begin. Okay guys, so as you can see, we have ground our black gram into a paste, and this is 1 kg of black gram paste. And as you can see, the paste is very grainy. I have not made it very smooth. I have not added any water while grinding, and as you can see, it is quite grainy, and this is how we wanted it. It should be like this consistency. It should not be very runny, or it should not be very smooth or watery. So this is our consistency, and we are very happy with the consistency. This is 1 kg of black gram, and here we have our ash gourd. This is 4.5 kg of ash gourd, and now we will clean this. I'll clean the exterior and then we'll cut it. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have washed my ash gourd and it's looking clean and green now. And now we will cut it. I'm using this knife. It is softer than I expected, because I was expecting that it would be very hard to cut into, but that's definitely not the case. Let's see. Okay, let's split it open. Oh my god, it's very hard. Yes guys, look at this, a beautiful ash gourd. So what we'll do is we will peel this, remove the outer skin, and also this middle layer which has all these seeds, and seeds I will keep to sell, and we'll just use this pulp. So let's do it. Let's cut this into smaller sizes now. Smaller manageable sizes. Okay, I wish I had a bigger knife, but I don't. Split open. Yes. Okay, let me use this plate here to cut it into even more smaller pieces. But don't worry, we will wash it, no issues. We will wash it after peeling. And here, like this, and one more. See guys, so we'll remove this middle layer, middle section. This soft section is not used while making buddies. See, just this hard section, and then we will peel it. I hope it will be easier to peel this, but it's not. We will have to make do with what we have. Trying to get that green part out as much as I can, but of course it is easier to peel after I've cut it like this. Like, get all that green part out. Don't want this hard exterior. Okay guys, so see, done. So we'll cut all our ash gourd into these thin strips. It will take a lot of time, so I'll show you after I'm done. Okay guys, so now we'll wash this with clean water. This is already clean, just want to get rid of any dirt present, and we'll place them here. Look how much we cut. This was 4.4 kgs of ash gourd. Now we are going to grate it. Okay guys, so now we start grating our pieces. I have this grater here. I'll position it like this. Let me zoom in, and I'll take one of my ash gourd cuttings and just grate it here. It's very soft, so it will hardly take any time to grate this. Please ignore the background music. See guys, so this is how we will grate our ash gourd, all of it, and then we'll drain it of all of water. As much water as we can, we'll drain it. See guys, so we'll continue doing this till all of our ash gourd has been grated, and then we'll see how much ash gourd do we get to actually mix into our vadis. So let me complete this process and then I'll show you. Okay friends, so all the grating is over. Now I'll try to drain as much water from this as possible. Look how much water coming out. Place it here. Now I will use a clean cotton cloth to drain all the excess moisture. Guys, our aim is to get rid of as much moisture from the ash gourd as possible. So we'll also drain it using a clean cotton cloth, as you can see here. Let me show you. Look. We'll squeeze this like this, like we make paneer. Get rid of all that excess moisture. Guys, you can use this water to drink as well. Ash gourd water is very good for your health, or you can use it in cooking. So do not throw this liquid out. This is rich with nutrients and vitamins. So let's move on to the next step. Okay guys, so the next step is aerating our black gram batter. This batter. So I'll take this out in this tub that we have been using carefully. Take it all out here. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll mix this and keep mixing it till it's soft and fluffy. Our aim is to aerate the batter, mix air into the batter, fold air into the batter, so that the vadis are less denser and they are very soft. So I think we are going to repeat this process for around 10 minutes and incorporate lot of air into the batter. Let me zoom in. Okay guys, so I have been beating this for 15 minutes now and it's completely fluffy right now. How do we check that? So you take one bowl of water with you, take some batter, make a small vadi and then drop it into the water. Look, it's floating. If your vadi floats like this in water, that means a lot of water air has been incorporated into it and it's ready. Okay friends, now it's time for our grated and drained ash gourd pulp. As you can see how dry it is. I've removed almost all the water, as much as I could, and now we'll mix this grated ash gourd into our batter. And now we'll incorporate this. Look how dry it is. Look, so now we'll slowly incorporate all of this into our batter. We are going to make a simple vadi, so we are not going to add anything, no salt, no masalas, nothing. People add masalas as well, but we are not going to do that. I want to make a simple vadi, and I'm also not adding salt because salt attracts moisture and it can ruin our vadis. So people add salt when they are cooking the vadis into a sabzi. So let's nicely incorporate all of this into our batter. The batter was made with 1 kg of urad dal or black gram, and this pulp I measured after draining is also 900 grams and almost 1 kg. So our ratio is 50-50. 50% dal, 50% ash gourd pulp. So we'll mix this properly, incorporate this properly, and we are also not going to mix it a lot, because if you mix it a lot and if the vadis get too airy, they will break when cooked. So you need to hit the perfect balance between mixing too much and not mixing too much. So we'll incorporate all of this like this. So this will make around 2 kg of batter, which we will then form into vadis. Look. Okay guys, so now we will start making our vadis. This is our batter. I have incorporated air very well into it. So now let's start making the vadis. This is a metal sheet. It will help our vadis dry quicker. So here goes. I'm going to keep them smaller because I need them to dry quicker. And I'm trying to make them round, but I'm not that experienced. I'm making these for the first time. I've only ever seen my mother make it, but I've never made it myself. So here goes nothing. This is going to take a lot of time, guys, but it's okay. So yeah. Okay guys, so it's done. As you can see, I have laid down all the vadis in the sun, and now we'll just wait for it to dry. It will take 4 to 5 6 days to dry, for it to dry properly, but the hard part is done. Now we'll just have to wait. So friends, our vadis have been drying for 5 days now, and you can see they completely dry now, dry and brittle. See, this is completely dry. We are able to break it by hand. Look at this. So we got around 800 grams of vadis from the whole batter. So it really dries up. See. Now we are going to store them in airtight container and enjoy it for months. Friends, I hope you really like our video. We put a lot of effort to make this video, and we have put a lot of effort to make these Ash Gourd Vadis. So if you really like the video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you want to buy the buddies, do let me know in the comments. I am going to put them up for sale on Instagram. So thank you so much.